let's start with problem number 4. Problem number 4 is calculate the percentage of books borrowed per category in each library. Let's copy the code and paste it here. Oh, it it shows that sakto tong code guys. Ako trying explain it. Purpose ani is i-calculate niya ang percentage of book borrowed for each category sa tanang library. The count is counts books borrowed in specific category and computes the percentage by dividing the books in category by total books borrowed in library. Group by is to group data library and category. Masolve ni siya because it provides the detailed insight into the proportion of books borrowed per category in each library. Now let's create the view. Actually, nahimo na ako ang view, I think, ani. Sa tanan ano, ito na lang i-paste ito para ma-explain ako ulit ko. Go where they exist, percentage. Pagting ko siya guys. Let's go. I-run na itong code. So, ito siya explain. By using that code, it creates a reusable view called percentage borrowed per category to store the percentage calculation results. It helps by simplifies access to the data without recalculating percentage every time, allows user to query the pre-computed data directly for analysis. Now for stored procedure. Try copy and siya paste guys. Lamok. Then run siya guys. So, naran siya sa procedures. Ato na siya execute. Wait. Percentage. Execute na to guys. Ano yung result guys na affectohan ng 15 rows. It shows that STP LRC building 3rd floor, library location, category name, classic fiction, books borrowed 2, percentage borrowed 28.27. I'm gonna explain why and how the code helps the purpose. The purpose of this is to define a total stored procedure, get percentage borrowed per category to execute the query dynamically. How it helps is it encapsulates the query logic in callable procedure for consistent and easy execution and avoids manual rewriting of the query. That's for problem number 2. Now let's proceed for problem number 5.